Kia gave us this 2024 Telluride SX Prestige X-Line for Christmas. So, well, not for Christmas, but over Christmas. So we are gonna use this to travel around to see our family. It's gonna be me and my wife and my mother-in-law. We're gonna go up and see my wife's brother in Chicago, spend a little time up there with some family. So we've got a lot of stuff we've got packed up in here. So we've got 2 walkers because my mother-in-law and my wife are both disabled. So we have 2 walkers in there. We're gonna have a cooler that we gotta take stuff up. We got presents, we got luggage. We're gonna see if all of that stuff will fit in here and would be perfect for family trips. So let's get started on that. I hope you guys enjoy the video. So as you can see, this is a 3-row SUV, but we don't need the 3rd row. So we have those seats folded down. It is really nice in here, full leather. The stitching is really nice. The seats are pretty comfortable. Back row, plenty of room for people back here. And so my mother-in-law will be nice and comfortable in the seats back here. They do recline, they move forward and backwards. Pretty nice. So here is the cargo area, and you can see right now we have 2 walkers pushed up against the back there. We've got the cooler in, and we have this much room for luggage and presents. There's a good chance some of the presents may have to go up in the front, but as for right now, it looks like we could have a decent amount of room. So we will get everything loaded back up, and we're gonna head out here within the next hour or so. Okay, so the women are still not ready to leave yet. I still have not been able to pack any more in here. So for now, we are gonna go get gas while they are finishing up getting ready, and maybe we can leave when we get back. So let's see how that goes. Well, let's see if the will let me in here, what that was all about. But let's go get some gas, I guess. Okay, back from getting gas, and let's see if they're ready to get packed up now. Hopefully we can get out on the road and get this traveling started. All right, we are finally leaving. Finally got everything packed up and loaded in. You can see we've got 2 walkers, cooler, giant suitcase. We got a couple of bags, we got some chili, we got a duffel bag, we got a pillow, and then we got a few grocery bags that have some stuff for eating in. But yeah, it's all fully packed up all the way to the edge. And we get a good full close. Yes, we do. Only other things we have in the front are the presents, and that's it. All right, it is time to go, so let's get out on the road. Finally. Okay, guys. So I wanted to fill you in on what happened with the whole Christmas traveling video here. So there was supposed to be a lot more than what you just saw, but we did have a little bit of an issue. And that happened to be, and I'm only doing this because I needed to tell you guys why this video was there was only a little bit of this video. But what happened was we had taken our pets over to our neighbors, and they were going to watch them for the 3 or 4 days that we were gone. They usually watch them all the time, and they come over and let them out and stuff like that. So they take care of them quite a bit. They went over there, and we ended up having one of our pets died on Christmas Day, which was my dog, which she was old. She was 14 years old, and over the last couple of years, she's been having some issues, just basically losing her hearing, started losing her sight. She couldn't see real well, and a few other things started happening. And from Thanksgiving on, she kind of was, you know, just not acting like herself as much, sleeping a little bit more and things like that. And she seemed okay and fine that day when we went, but she loves car trips, so she was really excited to get in the car.
and she was fine when she was there, but she just, over the next couple days, she kind of just took a downward turn, and she passed away on Christmas Day. So I had to leave, and my wife and mother-in-law stayed up at my wife's brothers, and stayed up there with them, with their family and stuff, and I came back to handle that situation. So I did go back up a couple days later and pick them up to bring them home and loaded up everything. But, you know, of course, at that time, I just really was not feeling up to making another video about that, and I just didn't think that there was any real point in it. But you guys did get to see how much stuff actually fits into that Telluride. It was really, really impressive. As you can see, we're getting into a Mazda CX-5 here. This is the Carbon Edition. So those videos will be coming up soon. So I guess subscribe so you can see the Mazda coming up. And sorry I didn't get you guys more footage like I planned, but you know, things happen. But anyway, watch one of these videos that's on the screen right now, and I'll see you in the next one.